Hi, I'm Eleanor. Today we are gonna make this Elsa, and it's supposed to be Elsa. DIY, do it by itself.
Exciting! So let's open it.
So let's open it. Oh,
whoa, okay, so let's see.
Cool. That is the hair and head.
Yep.
That's cool. We're gonna make it now. That's cool. That's a lot of things. We can put in the water.
A lot of bags. Okay, so here is you're supposed to submerge into the water. Let's see how it works. We got these four bags.
Let's find out where's the body.
Okay, can you guess which one would be the body?
This.
Okay, let's open it.
It shouldn't be super small. It should be big, right? So it could be this.
Let's take a look.
Let's take a look. Maybe it.
Whoa,
Yay.
look at this body.
It's blue.
We're supposed to soak it in the water. Wait. Let's soak it in the water. Let's
It's blue.
go.
If you soak it, it's gonna become that color.
We'll find out. Let's open all these bags, okay?
I want it to be this color.
Is that your favorite color?
Yes. But let's find out when we soak in the water. We're gonna have it. Ooh, see the comb.
They have accessories with these dolls.
And the shoes, and the little bag, and the mirror, and the comb. We have the shoes.
Okay, we're supposed to soak it in the water. Remember? We don't put them on. We're just looking
at. We also have some bags. This bag. We have this is stuff to take pictures. And let's see this one.
Oh, it's her outfit.
This is her outfit. Her outfit here.
Very good. So we're supposed to add water here.
Looks like Anna's.
Looks like Anna's.
It looks like Anna's.
Okay, so, well, we're gonna try it. Okay, we're supposed to put water in here. Let's see if we have enough water. Okay, I think we're gonna get more water, okay? All right, so we've got water here. Now we have to soak the body.
Okay, now let's soak.
Put that in there.
Ooh.
Go ahead and put the body in there.
Ooh.
Ooh, okay.
It's gonna get no more of this. That's cool. That's gonna be cool. Let's see it.
Wait, let's... Oh, okay, let's see. It's already changing.
Soak the body. Soak the body. Soak the body.
So basically, it's getting the paint washed off from the body.
Because it's dirty. We need to wash it off. We're washing the body. Washing the body. Wow, that's clean now. Here.
You want to turn it upside down?
Let's turn it upside down. Let's wash her hands. Turn it upside down. Wow. Oh dear. Let's clean it and see. Wow. But it's not washed off a lot. Let's try to wash it off.
Okay, so I guess the rest we could just wipe it off.
Now let's wipe it off. Oh. We need more water. It's gonna be, why I need to wash it and put paint on it? Do you want it to be fun?
Is it fun? What do you think?
Yes, fun. Here's not washing any water, but it's okay. Oh dear, have to wash it down. Okay, now we're gonna put the head on there. But it's actually Anna's, not Elsa. We are wrong. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so
You need some help?
so we have the bag. We have the shoes. Okay, and so now let's put the shoes. Ooh, that's gonna be not easy. Oh, we put it on. That's the not easy part. Okay. So now we put on the shoes, right? Everybody, you see this bag, we have to put it on. But we can change it to and play with it. And then, you see? And this is the braces. Being like being the necklace. Let's put on the shoes. Let's put on the clothes. This is actually Anna. We can make it to Elsa, but so now let's take it out, everybody. Take it, put it on, everybody. Okay. So now let's make it. Now let's put on this clothes and put it on.
Oh, what a beautiful dress.
Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay.
And she has a cape.
She has a cage. Let's try to. Ooh, she has to do like this. She have a cage.
Well, this one looks like we need to take out the head. The head would be the last thing to go on. Should be on the neck first.
Okay, so now let's put on the neck. Okay.
And then we'll put back the head. Okay, all done. Ready to be played.
Ready to
Got
be
these
played.
accessories there.
You see the Anna. Ooh, Anna. Let's play this. Okay, now let's put on this.
With a colorful necklace.
For Anna. Let's comb the hair. Oh, how we put on it. I did.
A little purple, purple purse, purple bag.
No, this is a bag. And this is the.
Oh, it's a camera.
This is the camera. Oh! Now let's play with it. This is the cape. We're ready to put it on. So now let's comb the hair. Beautiful. Now let's take my little bag. Oh, that's not. This is my little for taking pictures. Let's take it out. Let's take some pictures. That's nice. Let's put it back. Now let's take this little bag.
Wow, it's a Hello Kitty camera.
Now let's take the little rainbow bag.
Wow.
Now let's take it. Okay. Yay! I like this bag. Now we put it down. We're gonna take and see. So beautiful. Let's put on my necklace. Now let's go outside now. Look at this nice shoes. cake. Don't wear the cake. Okay, now let's go outside. I don't like to wear my cape. Let's go. Oh, my pocket. Hey. Let's go outside. Let's go. Let's go dance. What happened to my things? Let's go back home and look. I found my things. Look on my necklace. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Look at my necklace.